Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very interesting video searching in Google. It seems very simple, but I'll show you 5 to 7 tricks or techniques which will make your search really smart, and you can take great advantage of this technique. So please watch this video. I'll show you 7 techniques how to search smartly in Google on your phone. So I'm using an Android phone here. So mostly these days we are searching things on Google on our own phone instead of a desktop or laptop. So I'll be saying all of the searches on Android phone. So let's begin. So the first thing that I want to say you that, for example, I'll just type a word called pen. Okay. So when I press pen, you can see a lot of things are coming here. So when you see this, you can see at this portion here. You can see this portion. Many people miss this portion, but you can see this tab, scrolling tab horizontally, a lot of very useful options which comes here. So when I press pen, the first tab is called all. It will show you all the things like videos, websites, starting from image, everything will be shown here. So if you want specific to shopping, like if you want to purchase a pen through any e-commerce website or anything else, you can press shopping here. So once you press shopping, all the kinds of e-commerce websites, their price and all these things will come up here. So you can see everything related to purchase, buy or sell a pen will come here. So similarly, you go to images. Once you go to images, only images of pen will come. And interestingly, when you go to images, a lot of other options will also come, like color, product, HD image, GIF, all these things will come. I'm not going very deep into that. You can explore it for yourself. If you are a YouTuber, then this option will be also very handy for you, like label for you to use. Some of the images which can be reused will come here. So clear all, fine. You can go to videos as well. Videos, images, news, recent news of pen, digital pen market, research, all this news will come here. So after news, you can also go for books. Anything having any book having title which includes the word pen will come here. You can see the books as well. There is something very important here that is called search tools. Once you press search tool here, this search tool corresponds to the tab that is being pressed currently. So if I press like all, okay, for example all, then I go to search tools, it will take all and search tools. So here you can see anytime means at what time that thing would have been published. So anytime means anytime. It could be 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, etc. If you want the latest thing on pen, just press past hour or past 25 hours. Anything that is published in the past hour will come up. And if you want more like past 24 hours, you can select that, as well as past year also. So this is how you can do. Clear? So another thing that is coming in search tool, that is all results or verbatim. Anyway, this is just a word. Verbatim means same to same word will come in your search result. So remember, if you press here like images or something, then you go to search tools. I think in images already the search tools are under this tab. For example, videos. Then you go to search tools. Then it will show you all the features of video, like any duration, any time, any quality. So the search tool corresponds to this any tab selected here. So this is how you can use the tabs to make your search more and more specific and accurate. So this is our first tip. So our second tip would be use of quotes. How many of you know that if you use quotes in Google, if you attach quotes to a word, it will exactly tell you the same or search for you the same words in the same order for any website, if it includes the same words in the exact order as well. For example, I'll show you. I'll just write a peculiar thing that is not grammatically correct, that is made in, for example, iron. It should have been like made of iron, but I'll choose deliberately. I've chosen this made in iron. Let's search now. Let's see what is coming. Okay, made in iron, iron and steel, made in iron. I think a lot of videos are already there as made in iron. Let's see how to cast iron. I think it is in videos. I'll choose all. So once I do that, made in iron, iron and steel. So when I put quotes here, you can see quotes after made in iron and before made in iron. And I press like search. You can see most of the things which have exact made in iron like words there, and in that exact order, like made in iron, not iron made or something like that. So it will be in exact order. Most of the search will come like this. So you can see made in iron Facebook, made in iron, and sometimes you can get something out of the context as well, because it could be very popular in that handle. So most of the search will come exactly in made in iron. Again, made in iron, made in iron, everything made in iron will come. So if you want specific phrases or a group of words in the exact order and in exact words to be there in that search, you can put quotes here. So this is the trick you can use by putting quotes in words. So this was our second trick. I'll go for the third trick, that is use of hyphen. For example, just think of hyphen as minus sign. In Google, you want to search something which should not include this or that. For that reason, you can use hyphen. So for example, there's a very popular film, Koi Mil Gaya. Koi in India, in Bollywood, that is Koi Mil Gaya, Gaya. Okay, this film features a very popular actor called Hrithik Roshan, and there's also a very popular song called Koi Mil Gaya. So when I press Koi Mil Gaya, simply, then you can see all the searches belonging to Hrithik Roshan, because it's very popular and it has a complete film on that title. So everything will come like of Hrithik Roshan. So I don't want Hrithik film here. So I'll just, what I do, I'll just put hyphen and without having space, directly type Hrithik. Hritik. Okay, if I type Hrithik, all the searches you can see minus Hrithik will come. So you can see instead of Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, that song is coming, like Koi Mil Gaya, full video Shah Rukh, everything except Hrithik Roshan, that is minus Hrithik. So this is the power of hyphen or minus sign in Google. So you can see everything excluding Hrithik Roshan is coming. So this is how you use the hyphen sign. So for example, you want to search something which could be something, but a very popular thing comes up every time. So just put a minus and that popular thing. So everything, it will exclude that popular actor or popular word, it will exclude and provide you or give you that search which doesn't include that popular thing. Many times it happens and you'll be needing that also as well. So I've shown you how to search minus that word. So now we'll go to our next search trick, that is our fourth trick. It could be very useful if you are forgetting some of the words in between, like the lyrics of a song or something like that. For example, I will just try to press this one, trees green. Okay, I want to search actually a very popular song, that is I See Trees of Green, Red Roses Too, but I just press I Trees Green. If I do that, you can see a very vague searches would come. It won't show me that very popular song, that is Wonderful World, What a Wonderful World. But if I enter this trick, which I'm going to say you now, it's like I forgot the lyrics, I just remember these words. What I'll do, I'll just press, like, I'll include some asterisk symbol or star symbol, then again space, then one more space here. What I mean to say asterisk means there is one word in between I and tree. That asterisk sign actually tells Google that there is one word between I and trees. So it will search according to that. I dash trees dash green. So I see trees of green. Maybe, for example. Okay, I have written I star tree star green, but I have to again put that into quotes. As I had said you earlier, once I put it into quotes, it will search for the same exact words in the same exact order. So when I put quotes and apply this trick of asterisk, now you can see, I'll press search. Let's see what is happening. Look, everything is coming. I see trees of green. Well, the C word in the asterisk and trees word and off word of the asterisk have come up. I see trees of green. You can Louis Armstrong song, What a Wonderful World. I see trees of green, red roses too. All these things will come up. Most of the search will be on that song. So if you happen to forget some words of a line, you can apply this trick, and don't forget to put quotes also, because quotes will ensure that this is in the perfect order what you wanted. So this finishes our fourth trick. So we'll go to our fifth trick now. So our fifth trick is you can use Google search as a calculator as well. So if you want to do simple addition, subtraction, all these things, mathematical functions, you can very easily do that. I'll just, for example, press 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Automatically a calculator comes up. So you can even go for something complex like 25.5 divided by maybe 56, anything. So I'll press search. You can see a calculator comes up, and here you can directly calculate as well. I'll put something like 9% of 6 is equal, or 3 is equal to, I'm just arbitrarily typing some calculation. So you can have a calculator as well in the Google. So just type in the formula with some numerals, the calculator will come up in Google. So you can use this Google search as a calculator as well. You can also go for some famous scientific constant such as Planck constant. If I type like Planck constant, it will give you that exact value of Planck constant. You can see, look, this is the Planck constant. So this is how you can use this for simple calculation as well as scientific constants quickly and instantly. So our sixth trick is when you want to find out something, some meaning, some weather or some time, you can directly put it on Google or ask Google for that. So if you want to define some words or something, you can directly type define heat engine, heat. Okay. Once I do that, the definition of that word will come up, like the quality of being hot, high temperature, all these things. Definition of heat. For any word, if you want the meaning, just press just type in define and the next word. So similarly, if you want to get the weather of some area, you can very easily get it. Just type weather, WEATHER, and type in the pin code as well, 502032. Once you do that and press search, you can see the whole weather of that area or pin code will come up, like Hyderabad, Telangana, all these things. The exact address would also come up. So in the same way, you can find time of any place around the world, the time zone based on the time zone they are in. So if I press like time, for example, New York, let's see. Now it is 11:41 a.m. in New York. So directly, currently live time you can get. Just type time and a city name. For example, type time Mumbai. Let's see. So it's 9:11 p.m. So it's in India. So it is 21:11. Exact time is coming up now. So this is how you can get the time as well, by just pressing time and the next city's name. This ends our sixth trick or tip on searching on Google. Our last trick or tip will be this search can be used, come in very handy when you are using it for conversions, for engineers, for many people who want conversion from one unit to another. So if you want that, instead of searching how to or going for a calculator or something else, you can very easily convert from one unit to another. For example, dollar to rupee, $1. Okay, for example, I'll put like $5 instead of $1. Let's see what's happening. Let's see how it is calculating. $5 in rupees. So directly it is saying 376.87 Indian rupee. So for example, 3 miles in kilometer. Let's see. So 3 miles is exactly 4.828 kilometer. So this is how you can convert one unit to another unit. And once you do that, this window also comes up. So here what you can do, you can directly put in other numbers also. If you want other like 5 miles, it will automatically convert it to 8 kilometer. So somewhat like a calculator, this window comes up. So you can very well use that. So friends, I think we have covered 7 very essential or very interesting tricks or tips while searching on Google. So please use that and make your search smart and I bet this techniques will come very handy for you, and you'll definitely thank me when the need comes, so that you don't waste your time while going through all thousands of search terms on Google. So if you found this video useful, please like it, share it at different platforms, and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment on the playlist of Smart Minds for getting more of such small tips and techniques to make your life easy and simple. So friends, till our next video, see you again. Thank you.